Hi, welcome to Gems and Jewels. I hope you're having a fabulous day. This is my Louis Vuitton clock. On each side, I have mirrors. That's a separate video. If you go to my videos, that's posted. I just wanted you to see what it looked like with the entire thing, or you could just make the clock. Let's get started.
Then for the clock part, what I did was I took it apart, and it's plastic. So the plastic, all I did was I hot glued all of these gems on.
So I went on the computer, I printed off a Louis Vuitton logo, and then I cut it out, and then I glued gems onto the logo. And then I'm going to hot glue it onto the clock. This is what it looks like once the gems are glued on. There's a diamond in the middle on the left-hand side. If you can see, it looks black. It's technically a diamond, but I just left it. Anyways, this is what it looks like. So I took the logo and then I placed it underneath the hands. And that's what I'm doing in the video. And then once I found the proper placement for it, I just hot glued it onto the plastic part of the clock, of the inside.
Okay, so I used the E6000 and the hot glue. Walmart mirror, Dollar Tree mirror, Walmart mirror. This is where the clock is going to sit. It's going to need a screw. So behind it, I put a dot with a Sharpie. Then I glued on some of the Bling Wrap. And then I'm using, stuck together. We had some mirror strips from a previous project. So I'm going to use 2 mirror strips here. And then my 2x2 mirrors. And then in this little area, I'm going to put the Bling Wrap again. Mirror, 2 strips, Bling Wrap. So, I'm going to hot glue this on here.
I repeated the same steps on the other side of the foam board, and then I took screws, hung it up on the wall, and in the middle you'll see there's a screw here, and that is where my clock is going to lie. But this is what it looks like when it's all put together, should you choose to make all 3 parts of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel. This is kind of a goofy view because I hung this up in my hallway. Where I had to stand was kind of an odd angle. But I have another video for this. If you go to my videos, you can check out the entire piece if you want to make the 2 side mirrors as well. One word of caution, when I took the clock apart, it was good, but when I put it back together, I don't know if I added too much pressure or what, but I cracked it. So be very careful should you use this clock. But the moral of the story for the back piece behind the clock is you just want to make sure there's mirror on the sides so that you don't really see the foam board. So depending on the type of clock and the size of the clock is going to decipher, obviously, what type of mirrors you're going to use. For this particular clock, the mirror strips and things came in handy because the 2-inch mirrors wouldn't all fit in proper placement. Again, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Have a fabulous week, you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.